it's Miss Y for Maker Monday. Today's project is a silly one. It's a blow-up glove monster. Let's get started. Here's what you need: a cup, a Sharpie, a straw, a rubber band, a single hole punch, a pair of scissors, a disposable glove, a piece of paper, and some squeezy glue. We're going to start by drawing the eyes. Place your glove onto your piece of paper so you can tell how big to draw the eyes. I'm going to make my eyes just circles with pie eye eyeballs on the inside. Next, I'll draw a silly mouth with some teeth and a tongue. Remember, you are the artist. You get to decide what your glove monster looks like. Cut out each of them individually, very carefully. Place all of the pieces onto your glove. Make sure you're happy with how it looks. Then get some squeezy glue and add each one of the eyes and the mouth. Allow to dry about 30 minutes. When the glue's dry, it's time to put this together. Poke one hole into the side of your cup. This is just the right size for a straw to go in. Carefully open the bottom of your glove and put it around the cup. Just barely over the top. We want to make sure that we don't cover up this hole. Place the rubber band over the glove so that it stays in place. Carefully tuck it down. Pull the glove down very gently and make sure that that hole is not covered up. Next, slide the straw through the hole and good job, makers! Make sure to like this video and subscribe so you get to do a new art project every week. See you next time!